I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Cheetos, Flamin Hot Cheetos, and I'm gonna get a bag, and I'm gonna pour the Cheetos in the bag. Now I'm doing this so that I can crush the Cheetos up to make a Cheeto powder. Absolute goodness. So I put the Cheetos in there, and then I'm gonna close the bag up. Make sure you get all the Cheetos in there. Don't want to waste any Cheetos. Close the bag up. I like to keep a slight opening right here so the air can escape. Not too much because I don't want the Cheetos to escape. And then I'm just gonna keep on crushing it. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can just use a mug like I'm doing and just gently crush the Cheetos like this. Do it on one side, do it on the other side. You're gonna keep on doing this for a while until the Cheetos turn into a powder. That's what you want to get it at. You want to get it at to a powder. I'm going to take the crushed Flaming Hots, and I'm just going to put it into a bowl like this. Probably made too much Flaming Hot juice, crumbs. All right, put that in there. Push this to the side. Next, I have flour in my bowl. I have that already made right here. Put that to the side. And then I have egg. All right, so what I'm gonna do with the egg is I'm gonna take this, beat the egg up completely, like that. And then I'm going to get some foil. Get some foil. I'm going to spray the pan, the foil per se. And then I'm going to take this right here, and then I'm going to have the BabyBel. You see the BabyBel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. I'm going to open up the BabyBel, take it out the wrapper, and then I'm going to take the wax off like this. Comes in a cool package like this. You see how it's wrapped in wax. Be careful because you don't want to break the cheese as opposed to cut the cheese. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this. I'm going to dip this first in the egg. Let me get down close so you can see it. I'm dip it in the egg like this. And then I'm going to dip it into the flour like that. Dip it into the flour. And then I'm gonna dip it back into the egg really quick, not too much. Just want to get it coated with the egg. And then I'm going to place it into the Cheeto dust like this. Get it coated nice and well. Cheeto dust. And then I'm going to place it on top of the pan, cookie sheet, or the foil. And I'm gonna do this with all 3 slices. All right. Now that I've coated all of them with the Flamin' Hot Cheeto dust, I'm gonna put them in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, after about 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes, they should be done. Let me zoom in close so you can see all this, what's going on. So here it is. I'm gonna take it, nice and crunchy, cheesy. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Look at it, here it is. Cheesy.